Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some project shares for Scrap Diva Designs. You can find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com and get a 10% discount using my discount code PRISGEMIC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here we have the Dear Santa letter, and there's 4 different sizes from small to large. And there's a design that is shaped like a heart. I covered it with a heart resin, as well as these lines where you can write your own words onto the letter. And it's really cute. I added this brad so that you can like slide these around like this. Super duper cute. Just love these little letters. They're great little embellishments. And let's see what's up next. Next up we have this baby rattle, and it includes this everything you see here, the oh baby and the bow, and I made it into a shaker and it's rattling, makes a little rattle noise. I added my own dome here to make another shaker to make it extra rattle, like louder rattle. And so yeah, it's pretty cool. And you can reuse the stars that punch out from here, and I've added it back in, like there's a piece here, you can see that. And yeah, it's super cute, and you can make this into a mini album. And the little dome looks like this. Makes lots of noise. So that's my baby rattle. And then we have these ones are called baby dreams. So there's 2 designs, one that says over the moon, and this one is called sweet dreams. And these little twin stars are from my stash. And it includes this moon, the little stars, and the shadow pieces, the stitch shadow pieces for this over the moon, and also the background piece for all of this. Super cute. Just love this theme here and all the holographics on this. Super duper cute. And finally we have this one here, this really cute 3D bow gift bag. It comes with these side pockets, and I've created a window here so you can see through the pockets, and I've added these little teddy bears. These little teddy bears are from the December release, so yeah, check it out. You can make them into charms. I've added this loop onto the teddy bear, and so it's super duper cute. It comes with this really nice layered bow, and as well as these little tabs for your handles, and you can customize your handles. You can use paper, you can use ribbon. I've used ribbon, and I just hot glued the ends here like this. This bag holds a lot of stuff inside. I've included the baby bear mini album in here. See, look how much more space there is in there. And then I've also added another teddy bear charm here. You can interchange the teddy bears or whatever charms you have. And this heart cherry is also from Scrap Diva Designs. And on this side we also have another bear. They're so adorable, these teddy bears. And these little pockets also have handles on them, and like these little tabs for the handles on these little pockets, but I didn't include them. And the back looks like this. I've included this shaker bowl number 2. That's also from the December release. It's so this side is like the evening kind of like charm bag, evening purse that we have here. And these also come from scrapdivadesigns, these star key lock and heart key. So yeah, it also comes in different styles, so check it out. I can even put the link down below so you can link it directly to that page and you can see all the different styles. And so yeah, and this is like the day side of the purse, so just like demonstrate like how you can customize all of this, use different charms on your bag. So it's really great gift bag. So yeah, that's all the projects so far. I have more to show you. I'm creating them still, and I hope you enjoyed this project share, and thank you for watching again. And I'll put all the links and my discount code, my referral code, you can use that, my referral link, you can use that as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.